Be sure to review the notes and cautions on the Start Here sheet. Remove the protective materials as shown. Connect the power cable. Turn your printer on. Select your language, time zone, date. And time. Use the initial cartridges included with your printer. These cartridges are designed to initialize your printer. Open the front cover and printer cover. Gently shake the matte black cartridge 15 times before removing it from its packaging. Do not touch these areas on the cartridge, or you may damage it. Insert the cartridge into the slot, then push until it clicks into place. Repeat this process for the other cartridges. Close the covers. Press OK to start charging the ink. Do not turn off the printer, load paper, or open any covers while the ink is charging, or you'll waste ink. Once your printer has initialized the ink, you are ready to load paper and start printing.